All right, hi everybody, welcome back. Attorney Steve here. We've got a great video for you here. This is about certified law students. What can you do as a first-year law student? This is a really cool program. California is always leading the way in innovation, by the way. Check your states. Your state may have something similar to this, maybe, maybe not. But this is a really cool thing that I came across. And I just wanted to bring it to your attention. This is good for attorneys to know and also for law students. But say you just completed your first year of law school, there's a lot of things you can do as what would they call a certified law student. This is Rule 9.42, California Rules of Court. These are the rules that bind the entire state of California. So we have Rule 9.42, certified law students. Now, I'm just going to start here first, okay? So this only applies if you have successfully completed 1 full year of studies, a minimum of 270 hours. That's a lot of hours. It's a lot of classes at a law school accredited by the American Bar Association or the State Bar of California or both, or if you pass the first year law students examination, what they call the baby bar. Now, I tell you, the baby bar is hard to pass. I've actually never really met someone that passed the baby bar. And the baby bar means if you go to a non-accredited school that does not have ABA approval, but you pass the baby bar, you can still get in. So this is really cool. So say you've completed your first year, okay? There's a lot of things you can do as a certified law clerk. You pay a fee. I believe there's a fee involved with this, but you pay it. Look at all these things you can do as basically a second-year law student, okay? And I'll let you read the rule. You need to be like moving into your second year. That you need to apply, everything else. Your attorney has to apply and certify you and everything else. But check these things out. And you should be doing this. If you're a first-year law student, you just got done, you got good grades, you're feeling comfortable. If you work under the direct supervision of an attorney, look at these things you can do. 1, negotiate for and on behalf of the client, subject to final approval thereof by the supervising attorney, or give legal advice to the client. Do you believe this? Provided that the certified law student obtains the approval of the supervising attorney to engage in the activities, obtains the approval of the supervising attorney in regard to the legal advice to be given. So you can, as an attorney, you can say, hey, here's what we're going to do. Here's our course of action. Go tell the attorney, go tell the client, you have my permission, blah, blah, blah. But that's pretty cool. I mean, think about that. Your first year, you can start getting these practical law skills, practical attorney skills. Look at this. Number 2, appear on behalf of the client in depositions, as long as the immediate supervision and the personal presence of the attorney. So think about it. So I have 2 law clerks, and both are not law students yet, actually, but once they go to law school, they're going to be able to take a deposition. As long as I'm in the room. So I'll be in the room, I'll say, here's the questions, but you get those practical skills. How cool is that? But you also have to obtain a signed consent from the client. The client has to be good with that, of course. Client might say, well, I want Attorney Steve. And I'll say, well, look, Attorney Steve's going to be there. I'm going to be there. We got the questions ready. I'm going to give my great clerk some opportunities here. I'll chime in where needed, so forth and so on. But this is pretty cool stuff, and I hope people are out there taking advantage of these great programs. I have another video on the LSOP program. That is becoming a lawyer without going to law school. Now, this only the state of California would provide these great opportunities, so you need to look into these. Number 3, you can appear on behalf of the client in a public trial, hearing, arbitration, or proceeding. I mean, are you kidding? An opportunity to appear on behalf of your client in a trial, hearing, arbitration. Again, as you can see, immediate supervision of the attorney in their personal presence. But I mean, what a great opportunity. I hope people are out there taking advantage of this. There's something else here, appearing on behalf of government agency. That may not apply to a lot of people, but nonetheless, the state bar has authority to set and collect appropriate fees. So this is pretty cool. I want you guys all to know about this. tell other people about this. If you're in law school, one of the problems of law school is they don't teach you everything you need to know, which is one reason I do these videos. I want people to know things that I didn't even know coming out of my ABA-approved law school. There's a lot of things I didn't know. So this is a great opportunity for you to go and learn things, learn on the fly, get into the action, and get out onto the field, get into the courtroom, kick those doors open. I mean, this is great stuff. So I just want to tell you about this. This is our video for the day. I hope you like it. And again, law is a great profession. There's lots of opportunities. And the earlier you get indoctrinated, the earlier you can learn all these techniques. Believe me, law is, like they say, like poker. It takes 5 minutes to learn, but a lifetime to master. So if you can learn and master these things early on in your life, you're going to be much better off. But there it is, California Certified Law Student Program. Great stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great day, great week. We're going to be back with some more great videos. If you like this video, subscribe. We are growing fast. This is like better than political stuff. Think about it. The political news plays the same thing over and over and over again. It's called the news cycle. Here on Attorney Steve's show, you are learning new things every day, things that you can talk about at the dinner table and say, look, here's something I learned about today on Attorney Steve's show. So there it is, folks. Have fun. God bless. Have a great day. We'll talk again.